this mirage of fading shadows. I am life without end, even if you run in anger for 100,000 years. You will return to me at last. I am where the path clears. Didn't I tell you I am the ocean and you are the fish? Don't go to the dry land. I am the only water you could wish. Didn't I tell you don't be fooled by the world's design? I am the painter of your joy, the artist of the divine. Didn't I tell you, do not fly like a bird to the snare? Come back to me. I am your wings, I am the power of the air. Didn't I tell you they will rob you and leave you cold? But I am the fire, the warmth of your soul, as I foretold. They put ugly masks upon your face to make you forget that I am the source of beauty, the purest love you've met. Don't ask how the stars align or how the world is spun. I am the creator without limits. I am the only one. If you are the lamp of the heart, you know where to roam. And if you seek the divine, know that I am your home. Didn't I